Hi guys, welcome to Juli Atelier. Let's make together paper Christmas decoration in a winter style. We will need a carton base with a small hole, crepe paper, old book, lace, flowers, feathers, and of course angel's print in the Victorian style, and hot glue. First we will make the first layer for our decoration from old book pages. We should cut out 2 strips and fold them. Follow my instruction. Yeah, in such a way as a fan. While the glue is heating up, yeah, like this. Yeah, 2 pieces. And now I will cut the crepe paper for the next layer and connect our first 2 parts, and it will be look, we connect them in 2 sides, yeah, like this. So we have flower. With hot glue we put it on a base like this. To make second layer faster, I make folds on paper on a thread using the glue. I will fix it also on a first layer. So yeah, 2 pieces and 2 layers like this. Yeah, well done. So now I use old lace, but you can use other material as you wish. And first I put with the hot glue some feathers like this. Don't use a lot, just a little bit. And then with hot glue I cover it with the lace. I cut extra pieces from the image, angel's print, and also put it on our decoration. Then I use vintage flowers, just some pieces of composition, yeah, leaves and small roses. I bought them in antique shop actually, and I fix them with hot glue. And I think we will need to add some small cone, yeah, just a moment. Small flowers. Look, I already colored a little bit, but I think we need to add a little bit more old gold color. Just a dry brush, and I make golden bow. It's like a final accent to our decoration. I use a gold cord. You can use ribbon, velvet ribbon, like this. So almost done. And we need to attach small ribbon behind, just to put our decoration on a Christmas tree, just to hang it. And I hope you will create magical decorations for your Christmas tree using my instruction. I wish you inspiration and Merry Christmas, and of course subscribe my Julia